Hey everyone, this is Drew with Drew Drives at Grubbs Family Dealerships, and today we're going for a drive in this 2024 BMW X1 xDrive28i M Sport. This vehicle is powered by a 2-liter twin-turbo BMW engine with 241 horsepower and 295 pound-feet of torque, mated to a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic. I didn't even know that this car had a dual clutch. Like, I made a video on the X1 M35i and someone commented that, and I was like, oh, I didn't even realize that it had a dual clutch. And then even like it's even the regular, just the X1 has a dual clutch, which is really cool. Dual clutches are awesome, really fun, especially on a small SUV like this. And one thing I've noticed is the M Sport X1s are not very common. Like right now, there's not many of these listed for sale, the M Sport variants. There's a lot of base models, and there's not many M Sports or M35is. So I guess this is not as, I don't really see many X1 M Sports out there either. I see a lot of base models, so that's interesting. You have the M steering wheel with the M badge down there, 3-spoke wheel, and I love this, whatever you want to call this, metal piece. It looks awesome. Paddle shifters. You also have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You have sport mode, personal, efficient modes, which is nice. Leather seats, and I love the floating center console. You can put your bags there, whatever items you have. You have USB-C charging ports, and I like the wireless charging tray placement. It's like literally meant for a phone right there, the whole area. And you can keep your phone down in place with this little tab, as you saw me do earlier. And cup holders are right there. It looks like a pretty good size for the cup holders. You have the newer BMW key fob with the M colors for the M Sport. Seats are pretty comfortable. They're like they have like kind of like bucket seats. They're really nice. Center console storage. And I have videos on the base model X1 and the M35i, as I mentioned. Now with the M Sport, I'll have all the X1 videos on the current generation, which is nice. You have a panoramic sunroof, which is cool. Reverse camera with parking sensors. You have to put the emergency brake. There's no park button. Let's walk around the car. So you have the M Sport wheels. That's how they look like, and it says M on them. And you have the M Sport front fascia with a more aggressive bumper. The X1 M35i also has that front fascia, but the grille looks different, if I remember correctly. BMW LED headlights. I like the way the new X1 looks. It looks sporty. xDrive28i badge on the back. I really like the taillights. And the M Sport will also give you the gloss black bumper. Looks pretty cool. Let me open up the car so we can look at the rear seats and the trunk space. You have rear AC vents, and you also have USB-C charging ports back there, which is cool. And here's the trunk space. It's pretty good. For a little crossover SUV, this is more than you need. This looks a lot better than the X2 in my opinion. I think the X1 has a much cleaner design than the new X2. It looks really cool. But let's get out on the road and see how it drives. Nice acceleration. I mean, with the powertrain this car has and the transmission, it is no surprise that this thing is probably it's quick and very fun to drive. With the dual clutch and a 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder. Also, it has 295 pound-feet of torque. That's a pretty impressive number for a small car like this. Like off the line, you're gonna have a great acceleration with almost 300 pound-feet of torque. You also have like a little boost feature where you hold the minus paddle and it'll give you a little bit of boost. See that? That is quick. This car is probably very fun to just drive around and zip around in traffic considering its size. And check out my video on the X1 M35i. That car is also a blast to drive, and it has these really awesome sport bucket seats, which I don't really see in many BMW SUVs, or I don't think I've ever seen in a BMW SUV. Yeah, very nice drive. This is great. Let's take a quick U-turn here. Yeah, that boost is impressive. One thing I do wish is the paddles were higher quality. I don't really like plastic shift paddles, especially like, you know, I really like BMW's metal shift paddles, which they used to have that. Now it's just plastic, so that's one thing I'm not a big fan of. At least they do the job, so that's all that matters, I guess. Yeah, this is a really nice car to drive. The seat, the ride height is great for a small SUV. The seats feel really, really comfortable. It's really quick. And it's a stylish looking SUV. As a daily driver, this is probably very, very fun to drive, you know? Yeah, look how quickly this thing accelerates. That's awesome. Yeah, that boost thing is awesome. Love it. But overall, very fun BMW X1 xDrive28i M Sport. Very fun to drive, nice little SUV. I think it's overall very nice. But thanks for watching another video of Drew Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, and be sure to check out the link to Grubbs Family Dealerships in the description below if you'd like to shop for nice BMWs like this one.